वेल आज 6 तारीख जुलैची सकाळी सुमार 10:30 हांव आमचे जे दोंगोरी नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी दोंगोरी वॉर्डाचे जे इश्यू आसा तो इश्यू घेवन डेप्युटी टाउन प्लॅनर जो आसा बाब प्रकाश बांदोडकराक मेळपाक आयले. दिस इज रिगार्डिंग अ लेटर विच इज ऑलरेडी बीन सेंड बाय द पंचायत to the town and country planning regarding the joint site inspection which has to take place of survey number 18/2B and 18/2C of Naveli village, Salsett, Goa. आता हे दोन joint inspection करपाकचे आसा. We have appealed to him, requested to him, reminded him that when the panchayat has sent the letter to you all, if I'm not mistaken, 23rd July ती लेटर धाडिल्ली आसा and we are on the 16th. So कित्याक ना म्हणून आमी मातशे येयली आनी ताका मेवली आनी ताका आमी रिक्वेस्ट केला की वी आर रिक्वेस्टिंग यू that we want a joint inspection in Dongori Naveli. Now it was very kind enough of him. आमचे बाय मरिनान आनी रॉयल सांगले along with those two surveys another survey 9/15 जे आसा ताजेरी मातशे चौकशी करची म्हणून. आता we have told him, I don't want to go long, we have told him that due to some reasons कितले तरी 6 पॉइंट दिल्ले आसा ताका सांगला ताच्या हातींत आसा म्हणले पेपर दॅट ते कित्याक जावपाची पण ना पळय रस्तो थंय आसा फक्त 3 मीटर आसूंक जाय 6 मीटर. दुसरें म्हणटा ते PWDची पायपलायन थंय ब्लॉक जाता तेणे ते पेवर्स घातल्या म्हणून. तिसरें म्हणटा ते एमॅल्गमेट केला तेणे ओल्ड बिल्डींग आसा ती न्यू प्रॉपर्टी गेट करून. So you know there are many public and safety regulations also.
This file is rejected.
And when we did a joint inspection with the secretary of Naveli Panchayat and the Sarpanch Paulu Pelerak घेऊन आमच्या गावच्या लोकांनी जेन्ना केलें तेन्ना पावलून सेक्रेटरी आनी द कोण तो तुजो सरपंच दोळ्यान पळोवन सगळें मेजरमेंट करून जेन्ना रिपोर्ट केलो आनी तेणी रिजेक्शनाक घातलें. दे रिजेक्टेड दीस 18/2B and 18/2C जे आसा ते रिजेक्ट केले and they send a letter to the town and country planner. So and they even said that they should do an inspection, joint site inspection, so they also know and they can draft a report. Well, we met the town country planner. He was very soft, he was very kind. But I'm thankful to thank you म्हणपाक सोदता प्रकाश बांदोडकर for cooperating so well. And तुम्ही रोखडेच सांगले डोंट वरी 7-8 दिसाचो टायम लागता नोटीस धाडपाक त्या पार्टीक. सो आमी ताका रिक्वेस्ट केला दॅट जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन जाता तितले बेगीन करचें. सो ही हॅज गिवन अस द डेट एंड द टायम. ही डीड नॉट इवन हेजिटेट. ही सेड ओके आफ्टर 8-10 days on the 16th July at around 11 o'clock there will be a joint site inspection along with the town and country planner. I request if possible the Sarpanch of Naveli, Paul Pere, Secretary Halyali and even the ward Punch, Damu Chavan to be present, and of course our people will be there. So we'll have a joint inspection so we can come to know and we can take a town and country can take a we can get to the logical conclusion. Thank you very much. That's it.